Our three-man officiating crew: Mark Lindsay, Brent Barnaky, Evan Scott. They'll put it in the air, and the Bucks control the tip, and game time is officially underway in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Sixers now. Anthony Melton finding Tucker, right back to him, looking inside, and Embiid throws it down. Giannis Antetokounmpo now in year 11. 30-point score a year ago. Damian Lillard, there you go. Lillard has his first points as a Milwaukee Buck. Passed it up, gives it up. Spacing an issue here. Lopez hits it anyway with Beasley right on it. And Portis has Embiid duty right now. Inside Harris, post up on Lillard. Finds Oubre wide open, and the lefty cashes one in. Crowder steps into one, gives it right back.
Connaughton struggled shooting the ball last year, and he struggled in the preseason. They need him to get back to where he was.
We'll see how all this ends up. It's going to be a big story in Philadelphia. Meanwhile, the players that are here are trying to move on as Oubre is cooking in this first quarter against Atlanta. He played 33 minutes in that game, and he's getting the full first quarter. Here it looks like it's Bobby Portis springs free in the lane. And here's a guy, Tyrese Maxey, that's got a chance to pop as a real star in this league. Bobby Portis shakes Embiid, scores on Embiid, and Embiid. Lakers Suns coming your way in the second of our doubleheader. The only two games on the NBA schedule as Maxey cashes one, and he is fouled. And Maxey will go to the line. And Springer. Antetokounmpo finds Middleton, and it's blocked by Springer, but right to Giannis, who dunks it down. Giannis surrounded by Sixers, a triple team, and Giannis spins around it and hammers it home. 1 year Tennessee did Springer, and he is drawing the big assignments early here. He's been on Middleton, he's on Lillard right now. Lillard trying to spring free, looking for a call, and he gets it, and it goes!
Season with Embiid out.
Averaged nearly 10 a game in the preseason. Lillard gets free and lays it in. Damian Lillard at the controls here. Under 5 minutes to go, he lets it fly. Gets the bounce. That's a shooter's touch.
No question, but they're going to need to do something on pick and roll.
He's giving him a lift defensively. Maxey gets free on the screen, missed it. Middleton the rebound. Beauchamp running. Beauchamp 1-on-2, taking on Embiid, and he lays it in. Sixers need a burst here at the end of this first half. Embiid steps into a three. Got it. Embiid can fill it up. He's lit the fuse here in this second quarter, including a 4-point play. Kelly Oubre was hot in the first quarter and keeps it going here late in the second. And Oubre, as Giannis goes to the rack, hangs Embiid right with him. Outstanding defense by Embiid. Melton's going to let it fly. He's got it.
Defended Embiid. They're going to come with a second defender every time he puts it down.
Embiid in traffic. Little jump hook is good. Nice move by Joel Embiid.
Try to get together, understand how they're going to play them, and communicate that with others. So it's a work in progress so far.
That's a long list right there, Chris, for Nick Nurse. How about that for a start? It's getting started here in half number 2. First games of the season for both of these teams as Lopez hits a one-footer.
Well, great read there by Lopez coming from the weak side. Embiid was off to help on the possible lob to Antetokounmpo. He comes to the high post wide open.
Oh, back-to-back threes for the Sixers. Lopez guarding Embiid, lets him shoot it. Embiid obliges. And then the Sixers on a good run at the end of the half. And to start this quarter, Giannis a takeaway and a two-handed jam.
When they come at him on the dribble, rather than being so high turnover, he'd create better opportunities for himself.
Lillard flying in, little scoop is good. And there's Crowder with the rebound. Boy, two savvy vets right there. Maxey right there in the lane, and it's blocked by Giannis.
77 games over the last 2 years. The injuries could be a problem for Milwaukee. All three of their best players.
Crowder finds Portis. This bench unit with Lillard on the floor with a Crowder wide open. Corner three is good. Lillard with help from Beasley. Trying to turn the corner. He does. Maxey hangs and finishes. Little floater from Tyrese Maxey. Maxey lets it fly. Oh, and Tyrese Maxey keeps the three-point theme alive. That's number 5 in the quarter for Philadelphia.
The great Jerry Sloan, whose teams were extremely physical, would always tell his team, they can't call him up.
Oubre goes strong. He is fouled by Beauchamp and a chance at a three-point play.
Giving away a possession to the Milwaukee Bucks.
Oh, nice pick by Payne. Knocked it out of the hands of Melton Connaughton. On the rack attack, and he lays it in. Beauchamp has been excellent coming off the bench, earning minutes in that rotation. Now Oubre, oh, and Oubre finishes. And one for Kelly Oubre.
20 or more points.
Oubre now with his 5th franchise with the Sixers. Inside, Giannis just bullies his way in. And a foul.
So this is what we're going to do. That's a bad call.
A lot of speculation there, Stan. Here's Antetokounmpo, and he scores. Reed closed in on him. Giannis just got it off. A little finger roll. Nice touch. 94-88. Bucks lead it by 6. Tobias Harris. And he gets a shooter's bounce. Damian Lillard, 27.7 feet of distance on average last year. #1 mark in the NBA. And Harris responds with a three-pointer. Bucks led by 19 in the second quarter. Two-man game. Giannis hangs. Look at Embiid. Throws a little Dikembe on him. Waved the finger at Giannis. Oubre answers. And the Sixers on a run now. Attending tonight's game in Milwaukee, the first game of the season for the Sixers and the Bucks. And Oubre with a steal and a dunk. And the Sixers keep adding to their lead. They're up 6. Lillard with Crowder, Beasley, Connaughton, and Brook Lopez. Left wide open, Lopez buries it. Embiid, touch pass, but it's right into the hands of Beasley. Ill-advised. Crowder sets up for 3. Here it comes. Down it goes. It's a 2-point game. Under 5 to go. Antetokounmpo, they build a wall. Giannis backs his way in. And the push shot is good. Little jump hook by Giannis. Maxey with Oubre and Harris. Danny Green. And now Embiid gives it to Maxey. Goes strong and finishes. Cleared out for Giannis. Embiid defends. Giannis gets it back, missed it again. Another chance. Lillard for 3. Down it goes. Embiid drives. No good. Giannis pulls it down on the run. A freight train. Giannis is fouled. And he lays it in. A chance at a 3-point play for the Greek Freak. Lillard gets a step. Lillard, and it goes! And 1 for Damian Lillard. Brook Lopez on Embiid. Maxey for 3. And Tyrese Maxey, a clutch three-pointer.
Plenty of time. I'm going to let Maxey go at Beasley every time down the floor.
Embiid, little turnaround is good. A friendly bounce. Maxey and Embiid, Lillard and Giannis going to work here. Embiid knocks it down. Sixers rolling now. It's a 2-point game. Damian Lillard, three-pointer flies. And he's got another one. Damian Lillard. 5-point game. Embiid gives it up. Tobias Harris, a 3. Big shot for Harris. It does fit nicely. Lillard and Antetokounmpo. Lillard with 39. Sixers got to go here. Maxey drives, cut off. Embiid, three-pointer, no good. Long rebound. Anthony Melton, oh, it's off the glass. It goes, but the survive.